When you feel inspired to remodel your home, most people have feelings of excitement, some concerns, and lots of questions. In the past 20 years, we've remodeled hundreds of homes, and every time we see a pattern of challenges and opportunities. Maybe you have a clear vision for your home, or maybe you just have some ideas on how your home could function better. Our team loves to be inspired by what you're drawn to, and will create a plan to bring the best possibilities to life. We'll walk you through the design-build process, answer all of your questions, and help you discern what will create the most value for your home. We always respond with ideas on how to approach your project and how to smoothly navigate obstacles. In other words, we'll take the mystery out of the renovation process. Personally, I love the process as much as I love the outcome. I'm third generation construction. I grew up in this, and I still love it. Being able to create new connections between our clients and their home is incredibly satisfying work. The only thing better than creating beautiful spaces is working with talented and creative people who care deeply about their work too. We've built a lot of beautiful homes together, and we stand by our work. The standard warranty covers issues for 1 year, but we're not the industry standard. We cover issues and workmanship for 2 years after your renovation because we only design and build the best. Our team will turn the home you have into the home you love. If you're feeling inspired to reimagine your home, connect with us. We'll build beautiful together.